Hello and welcome back to Say Natural DIY. My name is Sylvia. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this natural hair leave-in conditioner. And I formulated this leave-in conditioner to make combing and detangling very easy. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Please, let's get started. So to make our natural hair leave-in conditioner, I'm starting with the oil phase. I'm using emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax combines both the water and oil together. And the next I'm using is cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol serves as a stabilizer for our leave-in conditioner. It helps keep both the oils and waters together. It also adds sleep to our hair conditioner. And the next I'm adding is coconut oil. And for the measurement I use for our oils and emulsifier, I'm using 7.5 grams of coconut oil, 10 grams of emulsifying wax, and 2 grams of cetyl alcohol. So after adding all these oils together, I'm going to keep it aside. And the next, I'm mixing my guar gum and glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It draws water from the environment to your hair. And mixing it with guar gum. Remember, guar gum is a thickener. It serves as thickener for our leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to mix it together. So for the measurement, I'm using, for my guar gum, I use 1.5 grams of guar gum. For my glycerin, I have 7.5 grams of glycerin. And in a separate bowl, I have my water measured out. My water, I have 169 grams of water. Then I'm adding my centrimonium chloride to my water. For my centrimonium chloride, I have 12.5 grams of centrimonium chloride. Centrimonium chloride gives our leave-in conditioner the sleep and detangling ability for easy combing. And the next I'm adding is aloe vera juice. I'm using 52 grams of aloe vera juice for this tutorial. After adding my aloe vera juice, the next I'm adding is the mixture of the glycerin and the guar gum together. And after adding everything together, I'm going to mix very well to combine both the water and the glycerin together. After mixing all my ingredients together, I'm going to do a double boiler. Both the water and oil phase, I'm going to put both in a pan over a low heat. I'm going to melt the oils. After melting it, I will combine both oils and water together. And with my wicks, I mix together. So after mixing everything together, in the cool down phase, once I notice a trace, I'm going to start adding my essential oils. At this point, I'm going to add my essential oils. I'm going to add 10 drops of vitamin E oil. And after that, my preservative, I'm using 2.5 grams of my preservative. I'm using liquid Jamon Plus for this tutorial. After that, I mix very well to combine both my preservative and the leave-in conditioner together. So at this point, guys, our leave-in conditioner is ready. So in a clean container, I'm going to pour in my natural hair leave-in conditioner. And I'm using a funnel at this point. And using a funnel because of the kind of container I'm using. And this is what it looks like on the funnel. Then I'm going to patiently wait for it to pass through the funnel. So guys, this is what it looks like. Our leave-in conditioner is ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching.